Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today is 4th of December 2023. Alright, so let's look at what the market is saying, what we're expecting this week under review, and also we're going to see how the market performed last week. Alright, so as usual, if this is your first time of joining us on our analysis, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you like our video. Let's have your comments in the comment section. So we usually like to start with gold, which is XAU-USD. Gold have broken all-time record 2140. Gold touched 2140 this morning, 4th of December 2023. Gold touched 2140, and you can see the massive rejection. Last week when we were analyzing gold, I told you that if you are trading gold, you need to be careful and trade with caution, that you can actually trade on short-time basis, but on long-time basis, that gold is about to hit. Remember this is where we are last week, I told you that it will most likely touch this point, but I was not expecting gold to just go straight touching here without retracing. So I was expecting little retracement. So last week I was actually trying to sell gold on short-time basis, and I was caught on that. So I actually had some losses on gold last week because it didn't retrace. But this week I'm sure that I'm going to make good profit from gold. So you can follow me, more especially this night by 7 p.m. we'll be having live trading section where we're going to trade gold, we're going to sell gold. We just need to look for opportunity on a lower time frame. We look for retracement maybe on 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. These are the places, these are the time frame we are going to look for to short gold. All right, I already sell few. I sold from here, and then I see that around 2060, even went below 2060. Right now it's on around 2070. So I believe that gold will still go down. So on a lower time frame, gold can still go down. So what you can see the pattern already building up. So we could see something like this. All right, on a lower time frame on M5. So by 5 p.m. today, 7 p.m. rather, we go live. Right, we'll have live trading session. If you want to join that, go to our Telegram channel. You will see the link there so that you can join us on Google Meet. We'll drop the link there. Right, so this is analysis for gold. All right, so this week, honestly, if the market closes what we are seeing now, this is a pure rejection. So if this candle closes as bearish candle or indecision candle, then definitely next week, tomorrow, we will see more down for gold. But I'm expecting gold to have a good retracement. That's what I'm expecting. So you can see the massive bullish move. This is massive, but it was rejected. So this is analysis on gold. So on GBP USD, currently where price is now is a key level. Let me mark it so that you will see is currently on a key level. Right, GBP USD is on a key level. So we should expect a downward move from there. Alright, so last week I told you that most likely it may go further up to touch here, which it has done that. Go and watch our last video. So this week now, this is the movement. We are expecting the price to go down from here. So I will drop it and leave it, and next week we'll come back and see how the thing fared. This is it touched 1.272530. That is where price got to, and we can see pause. This is how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now. Price has been here. All right, today is the 5th day. So but what we're expecting is price to respect this zone and fall. So if you take your Fibonacci retracement and measure from this low to this high, so you can see where I draw this in this 38.2 it could come to 61.8, but at least 38.2 is ideal because GBP/USD have turned bullish. So retracement we're expecting is at least 38.2 retracement of Fibonacci of this move of this from this low to this high. So this is 38.2 retracement. I will short it. I will short GBP/USD. Same thing with Euro/USD. Euro/USD. Remember, this is what we marked, but this tried to break it. So followed by this pure engulfing. I don't know if I should call it engulfing candle, but this massive move downwards. So price is back to this zone. So what we expect is, so meaning that this one is like a fake breakout. So we should expect price to go down more, right? So price going down more, at least to around this zone or to this point, let's say to this particular place we highlighted. So this is where we're expecting price to get to before price will continue to move further upwards move. The same thing with AUD/USD. For me, it's not very clear like NZD, so I think I will stay out of AUD/USD. So I'll prefer to trade NZD/USD because NZD/USD have shown me that it have hit a resistance level. Look at it, we highlighted this before as our key level, and this is where price is trying to reverse, and you can see the harmonic pattern also showing that where price is now is a reversal zone. So on this reversal zone, it's not good for you to go and place a buy here. So it's just for you to look opportunity to sell. I'm already seeing it on daily time frame that NZD/USD will retrace from this point. So what you do is you can have a new harmonic. I mean a new Fibonacci. You can do a new fib from here to here. All right, you can see that the same thing around here is still where you are expecting your 38.2. So let's see if price will respect this zone and come down, but this is what I'm expecting, and you can take the trade because it's a valid entry where price is right now, 0.6120. All right, 0.6196, which is 0.6196, almost 0.6200. So from there, it's a key level 6200, at least 100 pips to 200 pips, between 100 or 100 to 150 pips. Let's measure from where price is now to this point. So I say around 100 pips, 100 something pips. So USD CAD is another pair that has given us another entry point. This is an entry point for a buy. We are selling USD CAD, and I can tell you that it have hit all our TPs. So at this moment now, it's to look for opportunity to buy USD CAD. And look at the price now, look at the harmonic patterns confirming it. So in this case now, you measure from here to here to see your fib levels, 38.2, 61.8, even 50.0, then you'd see how you can move profit based on these fib levels. Let me show you. Look at it from here, from the top to this bottom here. All right. So this is 38.2, 50.0, 61.8. All right. Excuse me. That's where we're expecting price to get to. Then, and USD/CHF. USD/CHF is giving us a very, all right, look at it. Let me draw the fib so that I see. It's giving us a good opportunity to buy. Look at it. Look at 61.8. So we are buying USD/CHF, and look at where we are to exit 61.8. We have 38.2 and 61.8. Let's measure and see how many pips to 38.2 and 61.8. To 38.2 is almost 180 pips. Then to 61.8 is 275 pips. Wow, this is awesome. This is massive. I believe it will work out. We placed a buy earlier last week and it hit our stop loss. But right now, this evening, in fact, you can even start now if you see this video. Look at where price is around 0.829. right? So anything 0.82 to 813 is still a valid, or even 840 is a valid entry for a buy. So we are buying USD CHF. I prefer to stay out of Dubiss CHF. It's still consolidating here to see if here will respect before it will fly off. So the next one is GBP JPY, and GBP JPY have given us, I think up to, we are selling this pair. Let's see how many pips it has given us from where we started selling. It has given us more than 250 pips. So this is supposed to have given us our TP5, right? So if you're on this sell, you can book your profits. Let's measure and see where the price is. Okay, so it have hit 38.2. Price have actually hit 38.2. So you see, it's currently on top of 38.2. So anything can happen there. It could actually continue to go higher. But the setup have really been well because it have hit 38.2. So that's why you need to understand how to use Fibonacci so that you know when to exit the market. Alright, CHF JPY, I prefer to stay out of CHF JPY. We are not seeing very good entry point on CHF JPY until if this place is broken back and retested before we short. Where its price is now, we watch and see. Alright, so before we go to our Telegram channel, let's just complete and see Euro JPY. Remember when I draw this and I told you that this is moving average divergence convergence MACD, saying that price is to go down while price itself is making high, and I told you that price is going to fall based on this. The thing is on a key level, and also MACD is saying that we have to short. Let's measure and see how many pips it has moved from when it was analyzed. Go and watch our previous video. This is over 400 pips. Let me tell you, one thing you need to do when it comes to trading is to look at long-term picture of a particular pair and then be patient. Sometimes it could stay up to 1 month before it will actually give you a good profit, or market will now move to your destination after like 1 to 2 months. So it's all about patience. I'm going to show you also USD JPY. USD JPY too, I sent it. Remember when I said it was going down, I said it will just touch here and go down. Look at it. This is the last analysis I did here, and I dropped it to that. Our buyers have not changed since then. It touched here and come down. So look at how many days it's taking. Over 1 month. Over 1 month. Now that eventually moved 540 pips after 1 month plus, right? So that is the thing. This is daily candle, and this is 1 month, and this is 2 months. You can see after 2 months before it now touched at least 38.2. So these are touched 38.2. Anything can happen. It can bounce from there. So that is already done. Don't go to USJPY again. If you miss the entry, you wait for another call. The same thing, Euro GBP. Euro GBP, just at the movement, it will not count plenty pips, but it's more than complete. Look at where price have touched. This is almost 200 pips. Since this daily, look at how many weeks did it take us. Look at it. This is like same thing, almost 2 months. It touched here, it stayed here before this month. Now the whole of November has finished. We have entered December before I now touch our target. This was our target. Remember when I draw this, that it will get here and come down, or it can go to the next level, which is from here and go down. And the second scenario is what worked out, and it have touched our key level, which is our support level. So trading is just all about patience. I can tell you, if you're patient, and you will make money. All right. So finally, let's look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD was dropped even on the free group. And Euro CAD, I told you where the price is on a very key level now. Resistance, you can see this is a supply zone, right? We have supply and demand zone. We have, if you want to call it accumulation or distribution, anyone you call it, whether it's distribution zone. But what I'm seeing here is that there's a double top and it's also on a key level. And I told you that price will go down, so it has touched 38.2. Let's measure and see how many pips that it made before it touched 38.2. This is over 340 pips. It eventually touched 38.2. So the only thing is how many of us are patient with this trade to wait for it to get to this point. So we run out of a winning trade so quickly because we don't want to lose the little dollar we have, amounts that we have grabbed. So we say, how do they put it? A bird in hand is more than 1,000 in the bush. Somebody will say, let me just take this small one I've seen, no, let me not lose all. So for those of us that want to join our physical, not physical, it's going to be online, our trading section this evening, today, 4th of December by 7 p.m. Go through these videos I just dropped now. Go through these videos. This one is AUDCHF. Let's leave AUDCHF and NZDCHF. Though on AUDCHF we are still on buy. We place a buy. Remember we say we'll buy until price. Look at where we are expecting price to go to even break here and go and form like a W shape. Remember the same thing with NZD. I told you that it will continue to go up, to go and now get D points. This place will be broken. If you want to trade it, those two you can. Alright, so but my major concern is on this. I've already played out. USD JPY have also played out. Euro JPY have also played out. Right? There is no trade on CHF JPY that I'm seeing. The GP JPY have played out very well. Alright, is GP CHF, I said I'm not interested in GP CHF for now, but USD CHF is the one you're going to focus on because we'll be buying USD CHF. If you have funded an account, you can take a buy. USD card, same thing, we are buying USD card. You can take a buy, you can see the draw in, and then the analysis we have dropped. Okay, NZD, USD, you can take your sell because price is currently at a key level, at a resistance. It's going to fall. Then Euro USD, as AUD USD, I'm not interested in AUD USD. Euro USD, yes, Euro USD is on its way down. GBP USD, same scenario. You can see the analysis I dropped here for GBP USD. Then finally gold, and I told you that gold has been rejected, but we need to wait this evening. Let's see where the market will be. All right, but as it stands now, if you see this video, you can actually take your entry for gold. If you're an aggressive trader, you take an entry point at this around 2070, 2069. But if you are a conservative trader, you have to wait till tomorrow for confirmation for you to now jump into the trade. So thank you very much. We just need to look at fundamental briefly before we call it a day. On fundamental, this is our YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Subscribe, turn on the notification button, right? Look at Forex Factory is what we use. So this week, I think there's NFP this week, yeah. We have cash rates for AUD. We have ISIM, JOT, both on Tuesday. This we move good market very well. Last time we did move good market. And then we have non-farm payroll on Wednesday. We also have CAD BOC rate settlement and override rates, their rates, unemployment claims, and then on Friday is a big day, which is non-farm payroll, and then unemployment rates on Friday for USD. So this week, most likely we see a retracement, or if you want to say it's a reversal, anyone will call it, but market will not continue to just go one direction this week, even though December is approaching. But I believe that this week there will be a kind of relief for dollar. Dollar is going to be strong. All right, so follow the fundamentals, check the red folders, and then ensure you subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Thank you very much for watching. Register with our broker FBS. This is powered by FBS, our broker. Register and be ready by 7 p.m. for us to trade live and make profit. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys.